Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com. Yep, right, so there's lots to talk about today, so we're just going to cover all of it in brief or something. So let's talk about the easiest thing to talk about first, which is this subtropical depression 13, where this thing is far enough out from land. Let's get it on satellite. That no land hazards with that one, luckily. And of course, it's only going to continue to go south and turn post-tropical at some time, I'm sure, and not cause a problem. This thing here at the moment is a low, very low chance of tropical cyclone formation per the Bureau of Meteorology. Per the models, doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Then there's this, which apparently is a null chance. That's obviously a programming error. This thing may end up along the coast here, depending on what trajectory it takes. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. And this thing is causing at the moment, or is part of, where is it? Too many tabs open. There we go. Land hazards, heavy rain and flood warnings are in effect right there for Fiji and whatnot for this general area for 15F. And then this thing up here, so high chance per the JTWC, and then the JMA is already tracking it as a unnamed tropical depression at the moment. And this is the one where there's the greatest uncertainty. I have no idea which tab it is. Okay, this one. There we go. So there are actually alerts already in effect. There's marine weather warnings, high surf advisories, special weather statements where they talk about this is actually related to the tropical disturbance, where that is. Could be felt in the Marianas as early as Saturday, depending on where it goes, of course. So there is, watch this area here, there is some uncertainty as to how close it's going to get to the islands. And how intense it's going to be. There hasn't been a whole lot of agreement from run to run. This specifically is the ECMWF and the most recent model run of that, where as of this forecast run, they do have it putting the storm farther out to the east instead of booking right on top of it, practically the Mariana Islands. So, obviously, if you're out there, hopefully you're paying attention to what may or may not occur. So, yes, depending on where that thing ends up. And then, let's take a look again at this. So this area, this is the one where the thing that's a low chance at the moment may end up over here along the coast of Australia, depending on if it actually happens that way. So that is what is happening in the land of tropical cyclones at the moment. In the land of US severe thunderstorm weather today, nothing. But tomorrow, California is the 5% chance for, it could be winds, tornadoes, hail. It's apparently, there's the possibility of a tornado. Let's find out. I highlighted it in here. The greatest potential for a marginal tornado threat. That's what they talk about tomorrow. But 5%, that's the 5% kind of categorical risk. Now, tomorrow they'll put the actual percentage for the wind, hail, and tornado probabilities. So, depending on how things go, 5% is both low, but of course you should also pay attention. And then day 3... it moves over here. There's your 5% chance on day 3. And then day 4 through 8 is actually predictability too low instead of probability too low, which could mean that there is something that's going to happen in days 4 through 8, but right now, or they see something, but there's not enough agreement in the models for the Storm Prediction Center to actually put something on the map. So here is a visualization. Let's start it. See if I could start it over. Of what may be occurring, so California getting some rain with that, and then apparently up in here, I don't know if the loop goes far enough to visualize that. So day 2, also known as tomorrow, and then day 3, also known as the day after tomorrow. Which tab is it? So day after tomorrow and tomorrow's threats. So yes, stuff may actually occur. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website, and you should go there or not. Yes, and that's it for today. Hippity tippity. I don't know how to. I need a new catchphrase. Yep.